again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up Linear MCP with the Claude AI. So guys, for setting the Linear MCP with the Claude AI, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, you simply go and open your Claude AI, then log in with your credentials. Here you see that it shows my email and current plan is my free. So here you check that it shows here that my plan is free. Okay, now guys, here you simply go for the option of customize. When you click on the option of customize, here it asks you to add to your apps. Let's Cloud read and write to the tools you already use. Okay, so you just click the option of connect app. Now here you, if you find like this, here you see the Linear MCP shows. It is just shows the linear, not the MCP. So for Linear MCP you search LINEAR, and guys, here you see. Okay, so you just click on this, and guys, it start connecting, and it asks you for the approve. So you just give the permissions, and here you log in with the Google, then choose your account, and guys, here you enter your create your workspace, all of these things, select your reason, and this is the way that you can complete your uh, login process. Okay, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.